Hello everyone, welcome to the Guide of YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to use CC and BCC in Gmail application. So open the Gmail app first. Then you need to compose a new mail to be sent. Tap on the compose icon. To add CC recipient and BCC, you need to tap on the downward arrow on the top right corner into the to address box. Tap that. You will see the CC and BCC options over there. In Gmail, CC means carbon copy and BCC means blind carbon copy. You can use CC and BCC at the same time as well. If you use the CC and BCC function at the same time, the BCC recipient will be able to see the email address you have entered in the CC field, but the recipient entered in the to and CC field won't be able to see the address of any contact entered into the BCC field. So to add a recipient email address, you tap on the CC. Now you type in the email address. In CC field, you need to enter the mail address of the recipient who will receive a copy of email. Type in the email address over here. Now for the BCC, you type in a email address. You can use the CC and BCC function at the same time. The BCC recipient will be able to see the email address you have entered into the CC field, but the recipient entered into the to and CC field won't be able to see the addresses of any contact that you have entered in the BCC field. This is how CC and BCC work in Gmail. Even though you can use them at the same time, the purpose of these are different. Now you need to compose a mail and then tap on send. So this is how you can use CC and BCC in Gmail application. Hope this video was useful and informative. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.